dolls and gents, today I am doing a new get ready with me video for you guys, hair plus makeup style. So I'm going to show you how I did this full makeup look right here, as well as install this hair. I created a wig using Tinashe Hair. I am rocking their water wave bundles. I'm rocking 3.5 bundles. I'm rocking two 26 inches, one 24 inch, half of a 24 inch, and also a 20-inch lace closure. This hair is super gorgeous for summertime, and it is very, very low maintenance. You will see how easy it was for me to install this hair today, as well as just like kind of fluff up the curls and just like go out the door. If you are interested in checking out these hair extensions, I will have a link down below in the description box for you guys. If you are not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you doing? Click that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video, and stay tuned to get this full look right here. Let's get into this tutorial, y'all. I'm using a bunch of OG products, but also a bunch of new products that I've never tried before. So we are first going to start off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Ebony. I love this stuff. If you do not have brows on the tails like me, this product is absolutely perfect. If you have more full brows, then you can go in with a light hand, but you know, I like to really define my brows, and I have to really define my brows in order for them to be there. A lot of you asked me if I want to get my brows microbladed, but honestly, I'm so scared, y'all. Like, I have one tattoo and it hurt so much that I'm just like, you know what? I don't know about this microblading. Let me know how your experience was if you got your brows microbladed in the comment section down below. Next, I'm going in with my Tarte Busy Gal Brows in the shade, I think this is dark brown. I just showed y'all the shade. I clearly wasn't paying attention, but I think it's dark brown. I will leave it in the description box down below for you guys. Next, we are going to carve out those brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer in the shade 6.0. I like to go underneath my brow first, and then I'm going to pull it down and blend it all the way down to my eyelids. I do have discoloration on my eyelids, so I definitely like to bring this all the way down to conceal, but also to correct that darkness, and it works great as an eyeshadow base. I hate that this product has been discontinued because I love it so much, but all of you have been giving me suggestions. Y'all have been telling me to try the Nars matte one, the one in the pot. I've tried it, but it's not similar. If you know something that is similar to this concealer, please let your girl know, because I'm going to be so upset once I completely run out of this product. So we are moving just fast. I feel like the clips are going faster than me, but I am applying a little bit of Laura Mercier translucent powder all over my lids just to set that concealer so it doesn't crease or budge. So a lot of you have been asking me to do a review on this ColourPop Main Squeeze eyeshadow palette. Y'all, I love warm tones. Like, I will never get over warm tones. We are first putting the shade Big Gulp all the way into the crease. It is a nice matte burnt orange color. It is very, very beautiful. These shades are very pigmented, but they blend out really, really great. If you like warm tone eyeshadows, I highly suggest that you check out this palette. This palette is really pigmented. It's easy to blend, and I didn't receive a lot of fallout. I did receive a little bit, but nothing crazy. So next, I'm going to use the shade Like It's Hot. And this is a deeper, almost like coral, like reddish shade. It's matte as well. We are applying this below Big Gulp, and we are going to use this to create a gradient effect. So off camera, I didn't show you like every single step, but this is a lot of blending. I like to go back and forth between Big Gulp and Like It's Hot till I get the desired eyeshadow effect. These are the only colors that we're using in the crease. Next, we are going to apply this lid color. It's called maraschino. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And it came off just a little less pigmented than I thought it would be. The matte shades were so pigmented that I was just like, okay, let me try this shade on the lid. So I'm actually going to put another shade on top of this and then another shade on top of that. So, I mean, I don't think you have to put every single one of the shades that I use, but that's what I ended up doing. So next we are applying the ColourPop Super Shock Eyeshadow and Birthday Treat over this. But again, I'm going to apply another shade. So don't worry about that. Just apply the last shade that I'm going to use. So we are going to do a little bit of liner. I'm doing like a slight wing with my Tardis liner. This is like a dual side brush. Well, it's not a brush. It's a dual side product. It comes with a liquid liner and then it comes with a pencil liner on the other side, which I absolutely love. Y'all, I don't know why I have so much energy today. Like I've been up since early AF. I am applying my Barbie Lashes. I do have a limited supply on the website right now. We don't officially launch until August, but if you're interested in getting these lashes, definitely check out the description box. Yeah. So I'm applying this to both eyes and I was really pushing those lashes in, wasn't I? Most definitely. I actually went back to the Duo adhesive. I had been using something else and I feel like the Duo, it takes a little bit more to stick than the glue that I have been using recently. But major key, y'all, I didn't do this on camera, but curl your lashes. Like it makes a huge difference. Curl your real lashes, your false lashes. It's just gonna look more believable and more bomb. I mean, let's be honest, my lashes are long AF, so it doesn't look believable, but you get what I'm saying. It just makes them look a lot better. So next I'm applying the MAC Fast Response Eye Cream all underneath my eyes to prep it for concealer. My under eye area does tend to like crack up, so I do like to moisturize this area because it definitely helps. So I recently purchased this lip sleeping mask and I absolutely love it, y'all. It's really meant to wear at nighttime, but it really helps to moisturize my lips. I'm going in with my Smashbox primer water. Y'all know I always use this to prime my face. I love it so much. And I have also been loving the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, y'all. I know it's really hyped up right now, but y'all know if I'm using it, it's not just hype. Like it's legit so good. It really does help to grip your foundation and it wears all day on me. I do have like combination oily skin. So if you have that same skin type, you'll love this stuff. I heard it's really great for dry skin as well though. So I am using my Nars Natural Radiant Foundation. Y'all, I love this foundation so much. I mixed the shade New Caledonia with Macau and oh my gosh, y'all. Love, 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 love. I don't know why on camera it looks like more like yellowish orange, but in person, y'all, this foundation looks so good, especially when it sets on the skin for about an hour. It looks so, so flawless. I love it so much for photos, every day, like events. I wore this to my friend's wedding the other day. It looks so good. To contour, I have been loving this Black Radiance Color Perfect stick in the shade Espresso. Y'all, I just cannot use anything else. I'm stuck on this right now. It's like the perfect shade too. It's not too cool tone. It's not too red. It's like right in the middle. I love it. So I do like to contour the bridge of my nose. I also like to do by my temples on my forehead. Sometimes I don't do my forehead. If you have a small forehead like me, then I suggest not taking it all the way in the middle because it will make your forehead look smaller and that's not what you want. Also, I like doing my jawline and my cheekbones. So this is just adding bits of dimension back to the skin because foundation makes your whole face one shade, which is not normal. You normally do have light parts of your face and darker portions of your face. So you're just adding dimension back. And you can also make your face look skinnier. So hey, why not? Let's do it. To highlight today, I went back to an OG product, my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep and Tan Deep Sand. I am mixing the two. I'm applying this underneath my eyes, the middle of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow, as well as my chin. So this just really helps to brighten those areas, bring those areas forward, and again, just give our face depth and dimension. I love this. You can go about 2 to 3 shades lighter than your skin tone, but y'all know I especially love a bright under eye, so sometimes I push it. And I want to apologize for the lighting in this video, y'all, because I was using natural lighting and the sun was just like coming all the way out and then behind the clouds. It's better when it's behind the clouds, but it just was doing the most. So I know some areas are darker, some areas are like more saturated, or it's not even saturated. What's the word? More exposed. Yes, that's it. So I apologize for that, y'all. So as you can see, it is a process for me to blend out this highlight. I like to go back and forth between my foundation brush and my sponge, but it turns out so flawless. And this is my favorite thing to do in my foundation routine, y'all. Now it's time to bake. I'm going in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I like to bake because I do have oily skin, and for me it helps everything to just stay in place and looking flawless all day. If you have dry skin, you definitely do not have to bake. And I am going in with a powder. This is a new one for me. This is from J-Cat Beauty in the shade Espresso. Y'all, this color is really, really pretty. And I feel like it makes my skin look even more airbrushed. So I'm definitely here for it. And now I'm just removing that powder that I used to bake. And I do have a little bit of that J-Cat powder in the shade Caramel on my brush just to sweep it away. And it's a little bit lighter than the Espresso shade that I use all over my skin. So I'm definitely late on this product right here. This is the Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker Bronzer in the shade Cocoa Naughty. And I just really wasn't feeling this shade, y'all. I think I need to go darker because I feel like it barely showed up compared to my Bobbi Brown bronzer in the shade Deep 4, which is now called Deep because they did change the names since I last purchased my last bronzer because it lasts me like a minute. But I just love this bronzer, y'all. And so I compare everything to it. So I'm going to try a deeper shade and I'll use that in the next video and see how I feel with that one. But I apply this all over my skin and also my nose. So I'm going back into that orange shade that I used first in the crease area. And we are blowing out our lower lash line. I love doing this, and it kind of hides the lines underneath my eyes too. So yeah. And then I'm going in with the second eyeshadow shade that we used in the crease area, and I'm applying this closest to my lash line just to, like, it's not smoke it out, but just to make it a little bit at the lash line. Next, I am taking this Tardis dual liner again, and now I'm using the pencil side in my lower lash line. This would look really good if you want to smoke it out as well, but I just wanted to keep it on the brim of my eye just to define my eye shape better. For lips, I'm first going in with the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in BFF3. I love this. I have been out of MAC's Cork Lip Liner for so long now, and I ordered it on MACCosmetics.com, and it's been like out of stock. I've been waiting for them to fulfill my order, so this is about as good as it gets right now, but it's still a bomb liner, y'all. Also, I am using the Kat Von D Bow and Arrow liquid lipstick. It's just giving me a bomb nude lip. And next I'm going in with the Anastasia highlight powder in the shade Mellow Yellow. I'm not even sure if they make this anymore, y'all. This is in my contour book, and it just really
really brightens the skin. It looks better than like a banana powder because that's a little bit lighter, but this one is a true like deeper yellow and it works bomb on dark skin tones. So this is the product I was talking about that I applied on the lid after. Literally, I applied 3 different shades, but this is the Fenty Beauty highlighter. I think the shade is called What a Brat, and it's so pretty. I want to try this as an highlighter now. Like, I think that it would look really bomb on my cheeks. So I am going in to the MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish in the shade Beaming Blush and applying this as my highlighter today. I used to use this all the time, y'all, but this wasn't giving me like that pop. Like, it wasn't giving my skin that pop that I wanted, y'all. So I'm definitely gonna go in with something else after. But first, can we bathe in this MAC Fix Plus though? Y'all know how I do. I'm literally bathing in it. Yes, yes, I love it, love it. Y'all, I literally go through like a fourth of a bottle every time. So I am still loving my Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade La Peach. Jackie did her thing with this. This definitely gave me the pop that I was looking for compared to how it looked before. So I'm applying this to my cheekbones, my nose, my Cupid's bow, and I think I also applied it in the inner corner of my eyes. So we got to get into this hair, y'all. Y'all ready? These clips are just moving too fast for me today. I'm just like, what's going on? To get the best wear out of your wig application, you should apply your wig before you do your makeup. But if you're going to apply afterwards, like me, make sure you clean the area really well with rubbing alcohol. Next, I am just putting the wig on my head. This is the first time that I'm applying this wig, so I want to see how it's looking, how it's fitting. And next, I'm going in with my Got To Be spray, y'all. I love this stuff for a temporary wear. I'm applying it all to the front of the hairline where the lace will lay. So I like to let that cool down just a little bit. Don't let it dry too much. And then we are going to pop the lace on top of it and push it into the skin. So in order to melt this baby, you want to melt this on a warm, high setting. I feel like it works better that way with the spray. I normally use a cool setting, but honestly, the warm just melts that baby right in. So I have it on a warm setting right now. And y'all, this was like so simple to install, right? Now I am taking the baby hairs that I already cut and I'm going to use a little bit of is this the Nairobi? Yeah, this is the Nairobi mousse. And I'm just using a brush to lay those baby hairs. And I like this product because it doesn't make the hair all like crusty or extra hard. It just shapes the hair and then you can pull it up later, no problem. So it looks really natural once it fully dries, y'all. And this is the hair. The curl pattern is already defined. So it was super easy to install. This is like perfect vacay hair, y'all.
So y'all saw how simple it was for me to install these hair extensions. I did create this wig on a sewing machine, so it fits my head nice and snug, which definitely helps with the installation. I have had minimal shedding with this hair, minimal tingling. It looks so pretty. This is the hair in its natural state. I didn't add any product. This is just after co-washing and allowing the hair to air dry fully. Oh, I almost forgot to mention, I am rocking a 5x5 lace closure, and you do get more space with the 5x5. So it kind of goes from temple to temple, which is really nice. Sometimes the full frontal is just too much, but a 5x5 is definitely more parting space and you can do like a deep side part with it without having to move your closure over. So if you're interested in checking out this hair from Tinashe, their beautiful water wave hair, I will leave a link down below in the description box for you guys. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to give your girl a big thumbs up, and I will be sure to catch y'all in my next one. Bye. By the way, if you have not watched my last video, I did do a cooking video with my bae. If you have not seen it, click this box right here